Gaurav Bhatia, BJP spokesperson with us here on the phone line. Sir, good afternoon. Your reaction when it comes to this top scholar, Maulana Kaleem Siddiqui, who is said to be the biggest clerics from Western UP, and the arrest that has been made from Meerut on the charges of forced or rather illegal religious conversions taking place, sir?
See, the message is very strong and clear that no one is above the law of the country, and thus the Yogi Adityanath's government is acting against perpetrators of crime. We also need to understand that there is a very strong backing of political parties like the Samajwadi Party and the Congress Party to appease a particular minority. And I distinctly remember how Mr. Akhilesh Yadav had said that he doesn't trust the UP police in the past when some alleged terrorists were arrested. Now, yet again, it has been shown by the Yogi Adityanath government that rule of law will prevail and nobody would be allowed to pressurize, coerce or illegally convert a citizen of our country.
Absolutely, because Mr. Bhatia, his name had cropped up during the investigation into the Omar Gautam case, and he was thereafter jailed in June after the UP police rounded up for allegedly running a forced conversion racket, and that is how this Maulana's name has surfaced. But it has led to a lot of political reactions that are coming across and slamming this arrest that has been made by the UP ATS, sir.
This government in the state of Uttar Pradesh, headed by Yogi Adityanath, is strong enough to withstand any political pressure. The only mantra is that the Constitution of India and rule of law will prevail, and persons who try to forcibly convert, denominations of other religion is unacceptable even under the new law which prevails in Uttar Pradesh. And we all should remember how when this new law was brought in by ordinance and bill, these very political parties were opposing the law. Today, it is clear that the law is ensuring justice to every citizen of Uttar Pradesh, and action will continue in accordance with law.
All right, Mr. Gaurav Bhatia, thanks very much for joining.